This amazing office complex, it is out there for rent. It is Advantage Place, located in the heart of Accra, and it's located around the Mayo Road Ridge. It's a 12-story ultra-modern office building with basement and multi-story parking, open plan offices with an average floor plate of 750 square meters, ground floor banking space with a vault and a kitchenette on each floor, gym and convenience retail center, pedestrian and service lifts, and it has a centralized ACs, and it has a professional property management services to keep this building in full shape.